You're uploading videos, you're trying your best, but your views still stuck at zero. And the worst part is, it's not your content. Most new creators think YouTube is random, that it's luck, that some people just get picked, but that's completely wrong. There's a system behind everything, and once you understand it, your views start making sense. In this video, I'll show you exactly why your videos are not getting views and how to fix it. Let me guess. You upload a video, you refresh, maybe you get 5, 10 views, then it just stops. No impressions, no clicks, no growth, and you start thinking, is my content bad? But here's the truth. Most creators are not failing because of bad content. They're failing because they don't understand how YouTube actually works. YouTube doesn't push your videos randomly, it tests them. Every video you upload goes through a process. First, YouTube shows your video to a small group of people. Then it watches, do they click, do they watch, do they stay? If the answer is yes, your video grows. If not, it dies. That's it, no luck, no magic. Reason 1. Your title and thumbnail are weak. This is the biggest mistake. If people don't click, nothing else matters. You could have the best video in the world, but if your title and thumbnail are boring, it's over. Most beginners make thumbnails like how to grow on YouTube in 2026. That's not exciting, that's not curiosity. Instead, think like this: why you're not growing on YouTube. Now it feels personal. Now people want to click. Your job is not to explain the video. Your job is to make people curious. Reason 2. You kill retention in first 10 seconds. Let's say someone clicks. Now YouTube watches something else. Do they stay? Most creators start like this: hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And instantly, people leave. You just killed your video. Instead, you need a strong hook. Something that creates tension, something that makes people think, I need to watch this. If they leave early, YouTube stops pushing your video. Reason 3. You're targeting everyone. This one is subtle but deadly. If your video is for everyone, it's for no one. YouTube needs to understand, who is this video for? Beginners? Faceless creators? People stuck under 100 subscribers? The clearer your target, the better YouTube can recommend your content. That's how channels grow fast. Reason 4. No watch session strategy. This is something most creators don't know. YouTube doesn't just care about your video, it cares about what happens after your video. If someone watches your video and then leaves YouTube, that's bad. But if they watch another video, that's good. So you need to guide them. At the end of your video, say, watch this next, and connect your videos. That's how you build momentum. So here is the simple system you should follow. 1. Make clickable titles and thumbnails. 2. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. 3. Target a specific audience. 4. Keep videos engaging and fast. 5. Always lead to the next video in your channel. That's it. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need luck. You need understanding right now. Your videos are not failing. They are just not being understood by the algorithm. Once you fix that, everything changes. Views, subscribers, growth, all of it. YouTube is not against you. It's just testing you. And now you know how the test works. Subscribe if you want to understand how YouTube really works. And watch this next video, because this is where most creators make their biggest mistake.
Thank you for watching till end. This video has been created using a free mobile app called InShot. Next, if you want the video tutorial on video editing, do comment video tutorials, and if I receive 10 comments on video editing, the next video will be on video editing, because video editing is one of the most important skills you must learn if you want to grow your channel. Okay, so do comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.